Okay, guys, Yard Dog here, Global War 1936, True Believers, and this is Operation Detachment. We're on turn number 10, I believe. Nope, turn number 11, July 1941. Okay. Um, huh, Ended Blitzkrieg. We're doing England, FEC, Anzac, and France for this turn. Okay, 2 away from Overlord, if I can even get it. So this turn, England's going to finish your fortification. They're going to buy an airborne, a marine, infantry, transport, and a strategic bomber. FEC is going to lend lease a medium tank, anti-aircraft artillery, militia, and 2 upgrades for 16. So they'll be spending all 33, spending all 16. They have 17, so they're going to be spending all 17 as well. Anti-artillery aircraft, or anti-aircraft artillery, seaplane, supplies, and a colonial infantry. And then France is going to be doing a minor factory for 8, saving 2. So they'll be spending all of theirs, and they'll be spending all of theirs. Oops. There. So they have 2 left over. 0, 0, and 0. Okay. Just trying to think here. Oh, first thing we got to do is roll for some tech. I set aside what they're going to be rolling for: heavy strap bombers, long-range aircraft, and improved construction. A 9, so 2 out of 3. So we got a 9, 9, and 11. So we do have long-range aircraft, and we do now have improved construction. But we missed on heavy strategic bombers. So, well, can't win them all. Over here, we're going to be rolling for the Netherlands, Turkey, and Uruguay right here. And we got nothing. Okay. Next, now that we have our techs advanced slightly, we do have radar, And we do have ASW. And now we have long range aircraft. So we can take this seaplane from here and we can go 1, 2, 3 and attack that sub, which is what we're going to do. So I believe it's an attack on a 3. I don't know if radar or LRA, I don't think it gives them any increase on their attack. I'll have to find out, but we'll roll 1 dice to find out. Take this dice right here, and we'll roll it. And we miss. Okay, so that's uneventful. No other fights or battles that I can see or that I wanted to do. I know that I've got these up here, but I can't get them necessarily through the straits, the Danish straits, so they're kind of stuck where they're at. Some can get through. Coastal sub. See if we can hit the line with the coastal sub. And we miss. Germany's black and we're the red. Let's see. Not much else we can do as far as attacks. So attacks are finished. We're going to move all of these. 1, 2, 3 to here. Okay. This guy and this guy's going to move from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Land with this group over here. Okay. Actually, no. I'm going to keep him there. And let's see. That's about it as far as movement. Don't really have much to move. So we'll go to the placement phase. Stick him there. Strat Bomber's going to go with this group over here. There. And the rest of them go. Okay. Okay. That's done. This guy's going to go over here. So that's 3, 4, and 5. Okay. And that does it for them. They will be collecting 27 plus their bonuses. 32 plus 1 for diplomacy is 33. Okay, and now we're going to FEC. Go ahead and lend lease our buddies another medium tank. Okay. No movement from these guys. We do have 2 militia upgrades. So we'll delete those out. Add these guys in. Add this militia over here. And then we'll add the anti-aircraft artillery here. Okay. That's that. And then they'll be collecting 16 again. Okay, Anzac. No movement for them. Seaplanes going in here. And then the militia upgrade. Take him out. Okay. Let's see. They'll be collecting 7 plus 2 is 9. Oh, okay. So I'll actually be collecting 11 because Japan declared war on China. They weren't collecting that. Ugh. So let me see if he's in our. He is. But I think it says surface ships. Let's look. Enemy warships. So submarines don't count. So it's going to be 11. Let's make sure this is correct. So they get plus 2 from 14 is 16. And then they get this one right here, which is another plus 2. So they're at 18. So let's see. Full production 14. Plus 2. No capital ships have been done. And then they get Lower Egypt, as possessed plus 2 is 18. So I've been missing out on some income. So every time income is 25. Plus 3 is 28. Plus 2 is 30. Japan clears war on China, which is 32 right here. Plus diplomacy is 33. So 33. If we can eliminate their subs on the convoy line, it's another +2. So it'll be 35 if I can do that. So this is correct. That's correct. That is correct. On to France. France has a fighter, another fighter. They're just going to be, this guy's going to move over. Okay. Not much France can do other than what they've done is move that one guy over. So they're going to place their factory, minor factory, here. For 8. And they're going to collect 8, which puts them at 10 IPP for the next round. That should be everything for okay. Actually, I'm going to fly this fighter over here. Okay. I'll move this medium tank back to here. Okay. And that should be it. Thanks for watching.